are the larvae of the darkling beetle, and they have been used as a source of protein for both human and animal consumption for centuries. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the use of mealworms as a sustainable alternative to traditional sources of protein, such as beef and fish. In the United States, mealworms are primarily used as a food source for pet reptiles, birds, and other small animals. However, there is a growing interest in using mealworms as a food source for humans as well. The high protein and fat content of mealworms make them an attractive option for those looking to reduce their consumption of animal products or for those who are concerned about the environmental impact of traditional meat production. In addition to their nutritional value, mealworms are also relatively easy to produce and require minimal resources compared to traditional meat sources. They can be raised in a variety of settings, including indoor farms and backyard gardens. Furthermore, mealworms are able to feed on a variety of organic waste products, making them a valuable tool for reducing food waste and promoting sustainable agriculture. While mealworms are still relatively unknown in the United States compared to other countries, such as China and Thailand, there is a growing interest in their use as a sustainable protein source. As research continues to explore the potential benefits of mealworms for both human and animal consumption, it is likely that their popularity will continue to grow in the coming years. Mealworms are a great source of protein and fat, containing higher levels of both than fish meal. On a dry matter basis, mealworms contain 44 to 69% protein and 23 to 47% fat, while fish meal typically contains 61 to 77% protein and 11 to 17% fat. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays many important roles in the body, including building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting the immune system. The high protein content of mealworms makes them an excellent source of this vital nutrient, especially for individuals following a high protein diet or looking to increase their protein intake. Fat is also